Are you looking for the best tabletop bandsaw? Here we will break down the top 7 best tabletop bandsaw on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. WEN3962 Saw. The WEN3962 10-inch 2-speed bandsaw with stand and work light. This model is full of contemporary features and comes with a work light. It comes with a powerful 3.5 amp motor with a 9.75 inches throat. With these two features, this bandsaw will slice through wood and metallic sheets like no other. The cuts have a broad depth that provides cuts of up to 6 inches in depth and up to 9.75 inches wide. Benchtop bandsaw has a 2-speed operation that guarantees either 1520 fpm or a maximum of 2620 fpm when fully powered. More importantly, it is the ability of the saw to use 72-inch blades. These types of bandsaw blades make it much more versatile. It also makes you work easily as the saw takes in more work with enough power to wrap it up. The saw blades must, however, be anywhere between 1/8 and 1/2 inches. If you buy a variety of saw blades, you'll be able to get intricate and powerful cuts easily. The cuts will be precise and uniform when need be. In addition to that, the saw is very durable. The work table measures 14 into 12.5 inches in exact dimensions and comes with a swiveling touch that guarantees up to 45 degrees when angled. At number 2. Rikon 10-305 bandsaw. The Rikon 10-305 is the best bandsaw for the money. It's also a great option if you're looking for something that won't take up as much space. Indeed, a 1x3 HP motor isn't as strong as some carpenters want or need, but the 10-305 makes up for it with a large cast iron work table, a micro-adjustable blade guide, and a fine steel body. Rikon also throws in clear instructions and an efficient dust port, and they make it easy to change blades out quickly. You knew we were going to have some reservations, though, and here they are. At number 3. SKIL 338601 bandsaw. It is a powerful option, in terms of motor power, among all the bandsaws reviewed here. This product runs on an efficient 2.5 amp powered motor. And this is not only efficient but also durable. It can be used for a long sawing process. The 33860 is compatible in size, as it is light in weight, compared to any other benchtop bandsaws reviewed on this page. It does not take up much room on the work table. And if your work table is small in size, then you can quickly move the bandsaw to the storage, as it weighs only 35.1 pounds. Moreover, the blades on this benchtop can work wonders. It can cut up to 3 to 1/8 inch thick materials. Alongside this, it has many other great features that it comes with. It can rip the fence, for example, which ensures that the cut is straight. The table can also be lifted to up to 45 degrees angle. It comes with LED lights on the saw, which lets you have a more unobstructed view and ensures precise cutting. Also, it has a dust port, so you can clean up instantly when it starts getting too messy. At number 4. WEN3959 Benchtop bandsaw. WEN3959 benchtop mitering bandsaw gives precise cuts with precise angles. It cuts consistently with a depth of 3.5 inches and wideness of 9 inches. It also prepares the edge of 45 degrees for the right side. The blade works with 59.5 inches in width from 1/8 inches to 3/8 inches. The closely packed design of the bandsaw makes it easy to be used on any flat and tough design surface cozily. The appliance runs with the motor speed of 2.5 amp, and blade's rotation is fast with 2500 feet every minute. Every time get perfect cuts with the fencing design. At number 5. POWERTEC BS900 Benchtop bandsaw. It is perfect for light use in a home workshop. It's easy to adjust the blade and has a patented window, so that the user can see where the blade is cutting at all times. This is the least expensive model in our reviews, and it still has a lot of features to offer. Its quick-release blade action makes it easy to make adjustments. Although it's lightweight, it comes with an aluminum cast table for stability when in use. The POWERTEC BS900 is really affordably priced and worth it, as long as you use it as it was intended. It's ideal for small workshops, crafts, or small D projects. The POWERTEC BS900 is a great tool for anyone just learning or someone looking for something for small jobs. At number 6. Jet JWBS14DXPRO Deluxe Pro Bandsaw Kit. This bandsaw from Jet comes with an easy-to-view blade tracking window. It also offers increased accuracy. This machine comes with a built-in 12 inches resaw capacity, which allows for smooth and easy cutting through thicker and bigger pieces of woods. In addition, this machine features a 2-speed poly V-belt drive system that provides greater control when switching between soft and hard woods. This unit comes in 2 pieces that are pretty easy to set up. The blade that comes with this unit is also adequate for quite a few tasks. It also comes with a newly designed lower and upper cast iron frame for increased strength and rigidity. At number 7. Grizzly G0555LX Deluxe Bandsaw. Grizzly G0555LX is a 14-inch bandsaw with a 1 HP motor, powerful enough to cut both hardwood or softwood at the same speed. This bandsaw has a single-phase motor, cuts at an impressive 1725 RPM speed, and with cutting capacity of 13 to 1/2 in. You can tilt the saw in both directions, right and left, at 45 degrees and 10 degrees respectively. The cast iron table is sturdy and has a size of 14 inches into 14 inches. The sturdy base and cast iron frame look solid too. The included T-shaped rip fence with resawing attachment and miter gauge are also made of good quality. The directions are very clear, so you don't need to do much about setting this up, except some tweaking. This is an excellent bandsaw at a reasonable price for any home shop user.